welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this one's a little bit of a different unboxing. So this is from a subscriber. They received a canvas from a well-known company on AliExpress. However, they had problems with it. Some damage to the canvas. So while the supplier sent them another one, which is great, definitely the outcome you sort of want, what they've done is they've sent me the damaged one to see if I can do anything with it. So this is from Deborah, and you may well be able to recognise, oh wow, this is a big canvas. So there's no diamonds or anything with this. This is just the canvas itself, and whoa, this is a big canvas. I've not opened this yet. They have taken the sort of image and stuff, but this is the image. So they've taken the key from down the side, but basically this has been sent to me as sort of a let's see what we can do with it canvas. So wow, look at this, look at that. So it's a 60 by 80. That looks like it's going to be a fun image for them to do. I may try and do this myself once I fix the canvas, but we'll see. But oh, let's have a look. Wow. That has got some, I'm not even sure if the camera's picking them up, but this is not a good canvas. Can you see all those puckers on the back? This isn't just the glue not lying right. This is as though it's got crinkled up when the glue's gone on. So yeah, this is something that I need to see if it's something that can be fixed or not. Maybe I need to have a little bit of a mess with some of it, just to see if anything or what may work, and then I'll come back, of course, and have a video showing you how I fix this canvas, if I can. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you a little bit of a different kind of unboxing. Let's have a look what it's like underneath here. So the symbols are extremely clear, but where the puckers come, so the glue is, let's have a quick go. So the glue is sort of, it's got nowhere to go because the canvas is puckered up underneath. But I'm wondering if we actually cut through, because normally this is the first thing that turns me off a canvas, is any puckers on the back, because I do find that the puckers are not easy to salvage. A little bit of you know, just the glue, then that's fine, you can sort of flan it back down. But I've not yet successfully, well, normally, to be honest, I do just go straight to the seller when it's got puckers and say, fix it. Which of course is what this lady's done, and they have, which is great. But I wonder if there is something that we can find that will fix the likes of puckers once and for all. So I'm cutting through the glue all over the place because it doesn't stop the glue still being sticky. To see if maybe, some of these are really bad. All the symbols of like, let's see if I can show you. All the symbols have like folded up on each other. Sort of looking at this bit down here, I'm not sure if it's going to show on camera, but the symbols are like half the size they're supposed to be because it's all puckered up. So even, see, it's so hard to get it to unpucker because of the glue, and then I'm conscious that the glue's going to have gaps, because it looks as though the canvas was puckered up before the glue went down. There's a really big one here. Let's see if we can stretch that canvas while putting it down. Maybe I'll have to get an iron out. Ew. Don't like ironing. Trying to see if I can sort of flatten it with my nail while putting the contact paper back down, see if that'll help. But this is one of the worst canvases I've ever seen from this company. So obviously every company, even the good ones, have a bad day, and in this case it was quite a bad day. Let's see if I can get that to go down. Okay, what's that like on the back? See, look, that is still so puckered on the back, but I'm not sure if it's, this one's really bad. So I'm not sure if this is something that I can fix. It's something I'm going to give it a go, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's like. I mean, this is sort of a test canvas, so in a way, if I can get it to work, all the better. But if I can't, I've not lost out on anything. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a little bit of a mess, maybe see whether the iron is something that's needed in these few here, and come back with a full video with the outcome at some point. But I just sort of thought I'd show you this different kind of unboxing and a challenge that is up for me to complete in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.